Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. A crochet coffee mug cover, also known as a mug cozy, is a handmade cover created by crocheting yarn to fit around a coffee mug. It serves several purposes. Insulation helps keep the coffee or tea warm for a longer period. Protection prevents your hands from getting too hot when holding a mug with a hot beverage. Decoration adds a personal and decorative touch to the mug. These covers can come in various designs, colors and patterns, often featuring buttons or ties to secure them around the mug. They are popular dye projects among crochet enthusiasts and can also be found for sale online or in craft stores. A crochet coffee mug cover or mug cozy is a versatile and practical accessory. Here are some detailed aspects about it. Functionality. Insulation. The cozy helps to maintain the temperature of your beverage, keeping it warm longer than an uncovered mug. Heat protection. It provides a barrier between your hand and the hot surface of the mug, preventing burns or discomfort. Surface protection. It can prevent scratches or damage on tabletops that can occur from placing a hot mug directly on them. Design and materials. Yarn. Typically made from various types of yarn, including cotton, wool, or acrylic. Cotton yarn is popular for its durability and ease of washing. Patterns. These are countless patterns available, ranging from simple single stitch designs to more intricate patterns that include textures, shapes, and even embellishments like buttons or appliques. Customization. Mugs cozies can be customized to fit different sizes and shapes of mugs. They can be adjusted in height, width, and closure type to ensure a snug fit. Making a crochet coffee mug cover. First, basic skills. Requires basic crochet skills such as chaining, single crochet, and slip stitches. More advanced designs may require knowledge of additional stitches and techniques. Tools. A crochet hook appropriate for the yarn width. Yarn, a adhering needle for weaving in ends, and sometimes button or other embellishments. Patterns. Free and paid patterns are available online, in crochet books, and in craft stores. These provide step-by-step instructions to create various designs. Gift. Crochet mug cozies make thoughtful and personalized gift, especially for coffee or tea lovers. Craft fairs and markets. They are popular items to sell at craft fairs and online marketplaces like Stay. Eco-friendly, reasonable and washable, making them an environmentally friendly alternative to disposable coffee sleeves. Thank you so much for watching this video.